Hi there, kindergartners. Miss Klein here with Sunday Lesson 154. We are going to start with reading words, and we're going to start here with our in words that we just recently learned. So these all belong to the in family, which means they're all going to rhyme. So we maybe don't even need to break it down and go slow. So this says in, this one says pin. Good. Bin, fin. All the words in the same family, they rhyme. Tin, din. Kin, win. Now we're going to switch it up to the it word family. It, bit. Sit, fit. Lit, pit. Hit, kit. Now these ones we're going back to reviewing, and these are the short A sound. It says ah, like this. Ram, had. Leg, beg. Cab, wrap. Pan, map. An, fat. Sag, am. At, cap. Tan, hat. Now get your piece of paper and we are going to spell some words. Let's see here. I want you to label your paper. I want you to label it in and other. Just like that. Oops, can you see? Okay, now I'm going to tell you a word and you're going to decide, does it go in the in category or the other category? Here we go. Pin. P-I-N. You're right, it goes in the in category. Now let's do sit. S-it. Now let's do fin. F-I-N. It goes in the in category. What about tap? T-A-P. That goes in the other category. Good job. Oh, you can't see it. There it is. Okay. Tin. T-I-N. My goodness, I can't even figure out where the camera is. There it is. Okay, what about bin? B-I-N. B-I-N. Bin. It goes in the in category. How about cab? C-A-B. That goes in the other category. And last one, I want you to do hit. It. Where does it go? Where does it go? Where does it go? The other category. Good job, friends. Let's take a look at your Sunday worksheet. It says choose a letter that makes a word, then write the word. This is so fun because you get to choose any letter that you want. So if I choose the letter Z to put right here in the first one, it says Z-A-G. I would write the word zag, like zigzag. So I would write that right here. Then I'm going to move over to this one. I'm going to choose B. It'll say B-A-M, bam. Then I write the word bam right here. So you get to use this whole worksheet to make words of your choosing. Whatever letter you choose makes a different word. Everybody's words are going to look different. So I'm very excited for you to give it a shot. Okay, see you next time.